Guys, now Haris is trying to explain what is solar eclipse. This is the drawing of his understanding on solar eclipse, where you can see the light rays from the sun shining down on earth, and in between there's a moon, and thus the eclipse. Please forgive him. Please forgive him for the spelling of solar eclipse, as he just learned to spell the word solar and eclipse. However, I've taught him how to write eclipse properly. The moon and the sun, that's easy for him. The earth, he's beginning to learn also. Okay, now Haris.
Solar eclipse is a moon cover the sun. Different solar eclipse is like this. Or like this.
Okay.
And also like moon, and like also like this. And after that the sun like this.
That's it. So when was the last time? When did you see the solar eclipse? Where did we go?
In Robinson.
In Robinson Orchard Road?
Yeah.
So did you manage to see the eclipse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet, yeah? Okay. See where he draw? The ray starts from here at the tangent there. You see the tangent here? It starts and it goes there. You know, it goes to the earth. Alright, guys. Say thank you for watching, Haris.
Thank you for watching. See you next time on my new video.
Okay. Bye-bye.